Here we are back. This is part 2 of the spot polyurethane repair on this Kramer SC211. In the first video, there was a buffer burn mark that went through the factory poly to the wood, and I spot repaired it. I've let this polyurethane flash off for a couple of weeks. It's nice and dry. I gotta make this match this. I'm tempted to put some 600 on it just till I get the tape line gone. Oh wow, 600 is fantastic. Alright, the tape line's gone. I can't feel the repair now, but that's pretty smooth, man. It feels the same. So I don't know. I'll polish this out a little bit. Okay, I buffed it out a little bit. You can see where the finish is a little bit different over the repair. It's actually showing up more in the camera than it is seeing it in person. Alright, that's it. I got that piece of bare wood covered up. Hey, if you want to see more guitar related videos on my channel, consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon to turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. I go live every once in a while. Try to do a video every Friday. Thanks for checking the video out. Hopefully your repair goes good. See ya.